Alright, I'm not sure if it stopped recording on me or if I did that. So, I guess I'll see how far the other one was recording and add this one. Yes, this is gonna be a 16-second promo, and then I'm gonna have my break, which I'm gonna hit here as soon as this is done. There's a 2-second delay when I hit this, so you just actually have to practice and time it right. And I hit it, and it goes. So yeah, the longer you've worked, you tend to time it more. And then, oh, as you can see on our list, it turned dark green, and the next one will actually, when it starts playing, it will, yellow means queued, green means playing, that 5 seconds, it's gonna, this one's gonna start playing and this one's gonna queue up right now. Right now. There it goes. And it goes. So that's my break. Oh, and you can see, this is where you can tell that Boise and Twin Falls are actually two separate channels. They're showing different things.
Use your remote to select the antenna input, then
and that's my preview.
Now you've got Idaho's very own 24/7 and loads of free TV.
In 7 seconds, you're going to see a different, well, we can go look at something. Well, I'll let you see it. Okay.
Sports Extra, Sunday night.
And now it's going to pop up Network in preview, which is in black, and here comes Network back. Thank you. Okay. Let's go do our program real quick. Okay. So, I'm going to show you on this one. This is all playing out good. Yeah. Fine. We'll let that go. I'm going to change network in my program here. It's still recording over here because I only changed the monitor. I didn't change anything else. This that we're actually using to record it, to play it out and record a backup copy, I guess I should say, is this DDMS program. I'm waiting for Jack Hanna still, and Jack Hanna's still not here, but that was Outdoorsman that I had recorded earlier. But you can see here, whatever programs the station gets, they are now downloaded. This is the way it's done now. It used to be, in the old days of television, that some of those satellites would feed programs and you would record them. Bear with me. Then Pathfire and Pitch Blue are the two programs we used here, but if you look back here in this area, this is actually, you can see, it went to a digital system where you could, on Pathfire, there's several different, and I can never find the mouse for this one, or is this on this mouse? I don't know. Anyway, you can see that there's several different Disney, CBS, Pathfire extended sources, entertainment news, whatever it's coming from. You can find the file, just like in computers. You can find the file, open the file. This syndicated programs from Sony happens to have Dr. Oz main run and Dr. Oz second run. You download it. This is a very slow system. It takes about 2 times the length of the program playing out to download it, and then you have to play it out and record it. So it's not very efficient, but it was new at the time. Another one that they went using was, I think it's under Magnavox, called Pitch Blue. You can see on here, there's different ones, WB. They feed us, depending on where we are, what shows we get. The middle is one, weekday primary. Let's see what's there. Hey, I think Monday's, oh no, it's scheduled. See, it's scheduled. Let's see one. Yeah, if it's there, it shows complete and verified, and then you would just click on it and add it all. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess with stuff. But this, and then it would just be paused, and whenever you would tell it to play out, it would play out, and that was a real-time process, and it was fairly instantaneous. That's Pitch Blue. This over here is the same thing, Pathfire and Pitch Blue, but it's flipping now. I'm actually waiting for Jack Hanna to flip, that's why I was checking. One of the little tricks, if you click on something else and then hit refresh cache, this one refreshes itself fairly instantaneously. It jumped back. So my Jack Hanna's not here yet. If it were here, kind of like what I did with Outdoorsman, and in fact I'll do this one and then delete it so you can see how it's done. But I come over to click on the one I want, Outdoorsman promos, say, and then I right click, transfer item, give it a name. I'll just call this one, sorry, moving the camera, out. Okay. It comes up down here, and under this percentage it will show you as what's called flipping, and you don't even have to record it. I'm just recording a backup copy of Outdoorsman now, but it's actually going to go on our computer system, which is prep. And you can see I have different, everybody has different windows open on here. They tend to leave them open because why not, rather than opening up these programs you're using all the time anyway. If I go to out, oh sorry, I call up this, different users can do it. You can set it for IDs, which is like, say 99, go to a number as an ID, which we use for our spots. I typed in out because out D with the episode number is the code for this particular show. That's not, I can refresh it because I know I downloaded that other, yep. And see my out is now in the process of transferring. It's yellow. The ones I did before are showing up here in black. Now, I'm going to come to this computer and I'm going to route into this monitor the server of this particular media prep down here and show you, okay. Double click on the main one. I've already got all my information in there. There's my darts and tone. If I wanted to scan through this and see what it was, I just come down to this here. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are different, I can play it by hitting this button and it's playing out lovely bars and tone. I can scan through it by turning this little knob and it will start super scanning through the whole thing. I can back up, I can freeze frame, I can go frame by frame, release the, or like I say, I can just zoom if I'm looking for something, whatever. I can stop. I use those to set what's called in, and I can go to in. It jumps back to the beginning for me. And as I'm zooming, I'll zoom. You can see this bar here moving. I can also do all this on the computer. I can tell it to play and it starts playing out. I can tell it stop, go back to the beginning, or that's just going to rewind. But I can mark in and out points. That is how we actually air things. So if I went to A, well, that's the other cool thing, when you flip them, they're actually pre-segmented. So you'll see how only a small portion of that is highlighted. I'm going to put my episode information in there. I copied it earlier. Control C, Control V, they work in this. It's a computer program, so I'm just pasting it in there. And I hit ready to air because once I prep it, I want it to be ready to go. I hit play, and you can see the program starts playing. And that's how that works. And then I check my out point, stop. I'm just going to go to out, back up a little bit. Hey, it looks good. Play. But I can scan through the whole thing, make sure everything's there, and it should stop here in a couple of seconds. Yep. And it stopped, in black. That's the main thing I'm looking for. Oh, let me back up a ways into the program. And the other main thing I'm looking for is closed captioning. Notice on my on-air over here, these monitors, a lot of the monitors here have closed captioning set up because you want to, Outdoorsman airs on 24/7. They doing closed captioning, I don't know. I'll have to check more later. Sometimes Oh, there it goes. Okay. Sometimes captioning can be sporadic.